Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on lines. In the real world we have many opportunities to see different shapes. Some of the shapes we know are the circle, triangle, the rectangle and the hexagon. It is easy to notice that these shapes and many others are formed by using different types of lines. So the main lines we're going to look at are straight lines, which are here. These are just examples. And curved lines, which are here. Lines can be described by using different words depending on the shape of the line. We can have straight lines, long lines, short lines, wavy lines, curved lines, dotted lines, broken lines, curly lines, vertical lines, horizontal lines, spiral lines, jagged lines, and so on. Closed lines. Lines are closed, they form closed shapes when all the lines meet, and when you are inside the shape you actually cannot get out of the shape. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these 5 shapes here are closed shapes and they are formed by closed lines. Open lines, that's obvious. If you are anywhere here in those shapes you can easily get out because the lines are open, they are not closed. How could each of the following lines be described? Choose an answer from the following list. Answers will appear on the next slide on the red line. So you've got 6 answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here are your 6 choices. And if you pause the video and just answer those at your leisure, you'll have the answers on the next slide. So I'll move on to the next slide now so we can have a look at the answers. So that's a vertical line, a horizontal line, a wavy line, a dotted line, a jagged line, and a curved line. So this brief video has introduced us to different types of lines, and we've seen how different lines can create different shapes. They can be closed shapes or open shapes.